A powerful dust storm swept across Phoenix and central Arizona, covering communities in thick clouds of blowing sand. Visibility dropped sharply, creating dangerous travel conditions and reducing air quality across the region.
Thank you. Holy smoke. The railroad. Yeah.
Strong winds caused power outages, scattered debris, and disrupted transport as thousands of residents faced hazardous conditions. The massive dust cloud turned daytime skies dark and forced many people to stay indoors.
Help, but yeah, we're going to end up with
Oh, these trucks are in the path.
Officials urged residents to avoid unnecessary travel and protect themselves from the poor air quality as the storm moved through the area. For the latest weather updates and breaking disaster news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Drop in front of them.
We could go have a cigar on the back. I don't think there's no rope.
It's hard to see with the lights on. Look at that tree, that bush. Too bad there's a lot of dust, no rain though, huh?
My dad called me and told me not to drive. Your dad did? Then he called me 5 minutes ago and he said, "Hey, you're so bad."